How to fix fatal, dev, error in Modern Warfare and Warzone on Windows. 1. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Verify the game files in battle.net launcher. 3. Delete the battle.net cache folder, Blizzard Entertainment folder at %program data %. 4. Run your VRAM under max. 4.1 View the VRAM usage, go to Options Graphics Display Adapter. 4.2 Open adv_options.ini app. C:\users\documents Call of Duty Modern Warfare \players, with Notepad. 4.3. Locate video memory scale equals 0.xx line, change it to a lower value. Note, if it says 0.85 and your total RAM is 8 GB, then you're capping the VRAM usage at a max of 6.8 GB. 5. Restart your router. 6. Force the game to use DX11, enable additional command line arguments and type D3D11 in COD Modern Warfare settings.